Hi, Sal Magnus here, and I gonna do a video about the Power Rangers Lightning Collection. Man, I can't wait for the new release. I can't wait for the new Red Ranger Metallic, and the Yellow Ranger Metallic, and the Blue Ranger Metallic. And also I can't wait for the Red Ranger Lord Draken Army Builder thing. Man, I can't wait for that. If you got a Lord Draken, you have to soon get that Red Ranger thing. Man, I can't wait to get that Red Ranger. Man, and also I think I heard about a Power Ranger gonna come in 2022. Doesn't matter about that, but I read the matter about the new Power Rangers Lightning Collection. I hope anybody will get those new figures. I hope you you cannot mention when those will be released. I can't wait about that new Power Rangers. Man, I can't wait. And glad I had to end that video here. And it will be my bedtime soon, but but if you don't gonna subscribe and hit the thumb up bell button and hit that bell. Also, I yet keep forgetting about everything, but you won't never miss about the new video I'm gonna do. Alright, bye.